an ordinary box. It's a magical box because it knows all my secrets. My teacher asked me to make one and I found it really helpful to unlock the fullness of life. It allows me to talk to myself. Gratitude helps you fall in love with the life you already have. Here are a few gratitude tips I wanted to share with you all. I am thankful for my teacher because she believed in me and helped me fly towards my dreams. I am thankful for my loving and caring parents. I am thankful for my cozy bed. I am grateful to God for many untold blessings in my life. So friends, be grateful for life. Thank you.